Yo, what is going on? As you can see, the bike finally got a makeover. I finally got my fender eliminator put on. It's the New Rage Cycles fender eliminator. I got my TST flush mount turn signals as well. And I got the black Puig windscreen put on here. And oh my god, this thing looks good now. Now all I'm waiting for is for my exhaust. I ordered the M4 exhaust, so hopefully that'll be in the next week and a half or so, but I'm super excited for that. But anyways, today we're going to be going up a mountain, going to be practicing, can I not talk? Come on now. We're going to be practicing some twisties, and I want y'all to come tag along for the ride, so let's go do it. Oh man, I definitely need to practice on my cornering. So what better day than today to do that? So, and if there is anything that I might be like, I wouldn't say like messing up on, but like anything that y'all see that I could probably use some work on, y'all just let me know in the comments. Give me some tips, some tricks to get my cornering better for the twisties, you know. Who that be? Ain't no popo, is it? Nah. Ain't no cop. Let's see if we can get a little wheelie in real quick. Still practicing on my wheelies, my little baby wheelies. Look at that little baby wheelie. Let's go. Beautiful day. I am sweating up in this jacket though, so bad. Oh yeah, and I forgot today is the solar eclipse, so I might hang around up on top of the mountain until the eclipse is supposed to happen, so that should be pretty cool. What does that say? I don't know, somebody got something spelled out on that mountain. I think it's gonna it'll be about a mile or so before we actually start going up the mountain. I believe so, if I'm not mistaken. I don't like hitting the turns fast right now because, like I said, I'm still trying to practice some to get better, but I also don't even have no riding pants on, so if I was to lay the bike down, oh, my legs are going to be messed up. This road right here is so fun. I've only been on it a couple of times, but this road is fun right here. Just ever just want to oh man, get loose with it. I hope I'm still going the right way. It should be. Yeah, 25. Where the mountain be though? Come on. Give me a Mountain Dew, please, sir. I'm kind of thirsty, ain't gonna lie. Yeah, baby. Talk to me. to me nice. Yeah, after I get this ECU flashed, oh man, this bike's gonna be really fun then. It's already fun, I'm enjoying this bike a whole lot, but that ECU flash is just gonna wake it up, and oh my god, am I excited for that. Bring me the Twisties. Where they at though? I thought it would have been a lot sooner and we'll start going up the hill, up the little mountain. I guess it's on up here a little bit more. Oh, little railroad. Look at that sign. It says Twisties. Let's go. I gotta hurry up and get up in front of this red car right here. I can't let the car beat me. Look at the fellow bikers there. Y'all stay safe now. Keep the rubber on the ground. Short past this car, just take it easy and stay back a little bit. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh god, bug just knocked me out just about. Yeah, when we get on top of this mountain though, oh, it looks like we're starting to go up the hill now. I'm gonna show y'all the little view, the little mountain scenery up here once we get to the top. Like my little sound effects. No need for post-production sound effects when I can just do it myself. I ain't gonna lie, why is this little car going kind of fast? What is that, is that a Jeep? I thought it was a little Kia at first. Yeah, a little Jeep kind of going. They taking these turns better than I am. This red Jeep up here cornering better than I can. Come on. Got like a bug on my nose. I can't, it tickles. Oh, sharp turn. 25 miles an hour. I don't know about that. I guess so. Jeep slowing down. Oh, that is a pretty steep turn right there. I guess it's best if we do slow down on that one. Look at that thing. There's the top. I forgot to stop almost. Oh, let me turn around real quick. Oh no. Give y'all a little view real quick. I didn't think it was coming up that quick. Oh. I can't breathe in here. Yep, we up here, boys. Let's go over here. Try not to fall down this thing. Nice little view. I don't know if I want to wait like another 40 minutes for the solar eclipse up here or not, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I might go get me something to eat and watch the solar eclipse on TikTok, because I'm sure there will be plenty of videos posted about it on there. How y'all doing? Y'all waiting for the eclipse up here? Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, y'all have a good day. Some nice folks right there. Alright, let's go back. Let's hop back on this thing, and I guess we'll make our way down the mountain now. Oh my god, I can't breathe in this helmet. It gets so hot. So I'm sorry if y'all hear a bunch of breath noise. I'm sorry about that. I gotta open this up real quick. Sorry if it gets a little windy. My nose is running. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, but yeah, those some nice little twisties up the mountain. What am I about to do? Oh yeah, I'm about to go get me something to eat. So if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good day now.